the rule is no testing. This is very important. Paint and glue are not food. Keep them away from your mouth and eyes. So do not eat paint and glue because they can be harmful. Zvinogona kutokukuwadzai mukazvidya. So you have to keep them away from your eyes and also your mouth. Saka yakapinda muziso, quickly tell the teacher kuitira kuti muite zvinhu zvinoita kuti soro renyu risakuwara. Kapinda muromo, also quickly tell the teacher. So keep them away from your eyes and mouth. Okay, so this is rule number 6. What is rule number 7? Rule number 7 is water power. What are we talking about? You have to drink water before, during, and after physical activities to stay strong and also hydrated. Saka mvura inomwiwa before tatanga physical activity. Mvura inomwiwa during the physical activity. Kana makamboona bhora, munoona kuti pa half time paya vanenge vaine zvigubhu zvemvura zvavanenge vachichukucha mukano vabva vasvipa, vamwe vachingomwa zvishoma, and also after. But during the physical activity, if you drink a lot of water, zvinogona kukonzeresa mabayo. So you have to drink a little water during the physical activity, but before and after, you should drink a lot of water. So this is simply telling us to drink water before, during, and after a physical activity. Mapaona. This is really and very important folk. Very, very important. Okay. Then is our number 8, trikutarisa the need of fresh air. Tinoda fresh air. Fresh air fun. If we use glue or spray paint, we need fresh air. Open a window, like letting fresh air into a stuffy room. So when doing art, open windows for fresh air. Samurukona kuti glue ne paint zvinogona kuva ne a strong repungent smell. Kana kuti ngatingoti a strong smell. Zvekuti vamwe vedu vanogona kutokachidzwa nazvo. Saka kana tichita art tiri indoors, we have to open the windows so that we allow in fresh air. Number 9, dressing. Dress for success. Wear comfortable clothes and shoes that will not slip. No flip-flops or fancy shoes in physical education. For example, in football, wear soccer boots. Saka panapa ndo pata kutaura about attire. Tiri kuti you have to wear comfortable clothes for physical activities. Mapaona. Saka we have to wear comfortable clothes for this. What are we talking about? Tiri kutaura pamusoro pekuti tinofanirwa kupfeka nhumbi dziri appropriate for a sport we are doing. Kana iri soccer, you have to wear soccer boots. Kana iri volleyball, netball, you have to wear basketball, you have to wear the attire which you should wear playing those sports. But in all these clothes should be comfortable clothes. That's very, important. Let us look at this activity. In groups, look at pictures from magazines or online using an ICT gadget showing various activities, for example, swimming, painting, running, wood carving. Discuss and describe the correct and safe attire for each activity. Present your findings. So let us just do this for a little while, but munofanira kuzozviita kumba. Saka titangei nesoka. Saka toda kutarisa the attire which these players are wearing. If you are familiar with soccer, you would know that this is Kylian Mbappe, who plays for France and also Real Madrid. And as you can see, they are wearing soccer boots, which can also be called shooters. They are also wearing shin pads. They are wearing a short, this is a tight, and also a comfortable shirt. They are playing soccer, which can also be called football. So this is an example. We can also talk about this, where we are having 3 world-renowned players. This is N'Golo Kante, this is Paul Pogba, and this is Hazard. We can talk about this also, where we have Saka and other players. Let us look at other players, or rather, let us look at other sports like netball. So, tikatarisa netball, it is predominantly a female sport. As you can see, they are wearing comfortable clothes and also they are wearing boots. They are playing this netball. We can also see here netball being played. Here again and there again. Lastly, we want to look at swimming. As you can see, they are wearing these protective goggles. They are also wearing, let us look for other things they do wear. So that this is very important because they have to protect their eyes. But we can also see here they are wearing a comfortable tight so that they swim comfortably, and this can also be seen here. So these are the 3 examples of sports which we used to illustrate and to do that activity. Then the second part, irikuti, list down 2 safety rules and precautions for physical education and arts activities. So we have done 9 safety rules and we just have to list down 2. So the safety rules we did were these, starting with listening up, oral obedience, kuteerera maticha, tikaudzwa about warming up before the physical activity, tikaudzwa about using tools or equipment, how to use it properly to avoid harm, tikaudzwa about space rules so that we avoid bumping into each other. This is bumping into each other so that we do not harm each other. We were told about clean hands and also cleaning the space after we've done art. We were told about no testing. We shouldn't test paint and glue during our art sessions. We were talked about drinking water before, during and after our physical activities. We were told about opening up windows so that we allow the inflow of fresh air during art. We were told about dressing in appropriate attire during our sporting activities.